Meaning of dialectologist.
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 Dialectologist. A dialectologist is a specialist who studies different variations of a language in a specific region or community. They analyze the nuances of vocabulary, pronunciation, grammar, and syntax to understand how a particular dialect has developed and evolved over time. Dialectologists often conduct fieldwork and collect data through interviews, surveys, and recordings. Their work can have significant implications for fields like linguistics, anthropology, and sociology, as well as for language education and policymaking. Ultimately, dialectologists seek to preserve and document the rich diversity of human language and culture across the world.